Hi everybody, Alan Udy for the Historical Aviation Film Unit here again, and welcome to another Flashback Friday video. This week we're going to look at the Black Knights, the Republic of Singapore Air Force's aerobatic display team flying their F-16 Fighting Falcon fighters. Yep, it's a bit of a mouthful and one that I had to practice quite a bit to get right. These guys put on a brilliant display at the Aviation Air Show in Melbourne a number of years ago, and it seemed like a great clip to re-release for these Flashback Friday videos. So sit back and enjoy the Black Knights.
Welcome to the Aviation Air Show 2015. Get ready to be thrilled by our aerobatic team from Singapore. F-16 Falcon is designed as an air superiority.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching. If you want to support the Historical Aviation Film Unit to continue to make movies like this, you can join our supporting members program where you can sign up and financially support us, but also get some great perks as part and parcel of the deal. That really helps us continue with our mission of producing great aviation, military vehicle and, well, just any cool stuff, videos for you guys. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell while you're there, and that way YouTube will let you know when we release more videos. So until then, thanks a lot.